Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with IRS EFTPS for business tax payments. Complete guide step by step clearly. To start authenticating with IRS EFTPS for business tax payments, visit the official EFTPS website. Ensure you have your employer identification number, or EIN, ready. Click on the login button on the home page. You will be prompted to enter your EIN and password. After entering your credentials, click Login again. If you haven't registered yet, you must first do so by clicking on Enrollment. Fill out the required information accurately during the registration process. Once registered, you will receive a confirmation email with your new PIN. Use this PIN and your EIN to complete your authentication. When logging in for the first time, you'll be asked to set up security questions. Choose security questions that are easy for you to remember. After completing the security questions, you will gain access to your account. Ensure all your business information is accurate and up to date. Once authenticated, navigate to the Payments section of the portal. Select the type of tax payment you need to make. Follow the prompts to complete your payment securely. Review the payment details carefully before confirming your submission. Keep a record of your payment confirmation for future reference. If you encounter any issues, contact the EFTPS customer service for assistance. Save this guide for future reference as you manage your business tax payments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.